What's happening to me? All right, so I have Angel on my arm, Sweet Pea's butt behind my head. Yep. There she goes. Much better. How are you, Angel? How are you? What are you doing up there? Bam. And she's gone. Hey, Chip Chip, come here. Oh, now you don't want to? Well, looks like I've got all 6 of them. They stay together and scatter randomly. Like, oh my gosh. There's Angel, checking some things out. Popcorn. She blends into like rocks and things. Cleo and Starla. I don't know what you two are doing. Gizmo. And over here is Sweet Pea, who blends in very well with the dry grass. What are you eating? Oh boy. Let's see, I can see PK and I can see Trinity. Oh, there's Phoenix. You guys destroying my beautiful compost pile? Oh, there's Miss Cloud. Now she's gonna come over here and she's gonna see the chicks. And she's gonna be like, no way, Jose. But this is good. They need to come over here and kind of blend in with the flock, little by little. I know, Popcorn. Trinity's walking towards you. I'm curious to see if these 6 run back home. You know, as soon as one of the ladies come near them. What? Okay, no. I don't know what she thinks she sees. I'm looking around. What's freaking you out? Everything's new to them, so they could be freaking out about that cinder block for all I know. Yeah, see how nice that is? What? The cardboard? The cinder block? Here we go. Yeah, Phoenix. That's okay. All right, I'm in the coop with chicks. It's very windy out. And they seem okay, but every now and then they're like, oh, holy crap, what's that? It's not a very stable perch, is it? No, at least I have to rest my hand here. You like that perch, Popcorn? You like that perch? Sure do. Popcorn, get on this one. All right, well. See, Starla knows what's the real perch. Yes, that's the real perch. Well, how do you do? Are you going to visit with us? Fantastic. I love it. Look how pretty you are. Yes. She and Cleo look practically identical, except that Starla here has a little bump. It looks like she's a unicorn. For her comb, she just has a little spike coming out of the top of her head. Could have named you Spike. No. I want to do this once in a while to make sure that they continue to come to me. I tried this with the other hens, and PK still does, or does now. Miss Cloud is, she's the leader of the flock, and she's just not really interested. Phoenix is mad at me all the time, and Trinity is crazy. So I'm hoping that some of these ladies will stay friendly. You can hardly tell that there's a chicken out there. That is Sweet Pea, and she blends in. Hey, what are you doing? Stop eating my corn. That's a no chicken zone. Yeah, that's my pumpkin plant. Hey, no, get out of there. Here I come with my big bad foot. Now you're stuck under the hardware cloth. Oh my gosh. All right, get out. Oh my gosh. Starla, go. Go that way or come this way. Oh, for crying out loud. Thank you. No. Don't go over the log that you... Dorkus Magoo. Oh my gosh. Now I'm falling. Oh yeah, as if you've never tripped. I was going to go inside, and I thought, you know what? I want to let the chicks out here with some uninterrupted scratch and sniff time. Go in there and get your food. It's in here. Come on. It's in here, you guys. Come on, Chirp Chirp. It's in there. It's right there. It's over there. Yeah, go get it. Yeah, go get it. All right. I got 3 of them. Yeah, I'm trying to put them to bed. No, you don't get to come out again. I went to a local feed mill and got this new food. It is a pullet developer. I also got the hens some new food because I've done some research and found out there's a lot of corn in what I was giving them, and the lady there was talking to me about different, methods and making it, and I've wanted to switch anyway, so I've switched to a different food, and it's about the same cost, really, maybe actually a little less. I haven't seen them eat the dry food like this for a while. Wow, they are really happy. She was also saying that the black star chicken I have with the feather issue, she's thinking the same thing I am, that maybe it didn't do its molt quite right. And she also pointed out that, like PK, parkour chick, who did her molt, will probably stop laying eggs as much as she did. They're a heavy 18-month layer, and then they slow way down. So, could be that my laying machine becomes a lame laying machine. Once Trinity actually molts, well, her laying days might be over. She was saying that all the other chicken breeds I have are consistent layers. They don't lay a bunch, every week, so maybe that means they'll be laying eggs longer. So that'll be good. You ladies will make up the difference when my 2 black stars stop. I know, popcorn. It's great. The hens, I don't know how much they like their new food. Do you like it? They may also not be hungry. I got a bowl of it wet. Yeah. And they have dry. And they pecked at it a little bit, but you guys are spoiled. I'm not bringing you anything right now. I did get them a new fan. So now they have that fan and this one. Yeah. And both will be protected from rain. What? No, I'm not bringing you anything right now. No, and it's too hot to come out. I'm sorry. But when I do bring you out, it will be alone. I'm not bringing you out with the chicks for a couple weeks. Yeah, you big bullies. I'm heading over to my neighbor's house to check on her chickens. And you might think, okay, but you're in your backyard. That's true. I am in my backyard. I'm in my forest area. I love this section of my backyard. So we went ahead and put a friendly neighbor gate here. And you can't even tell, can you? Isn't that nice? All right, so I gotta do is pull on this rope. And voila. For some reason, their chickens are very skittish. So I came over to turn their fan on. There we go. You should go outside. Go on. Go on out. Go on. Come on, chirp, chirp, chirp. Yeah, they're not like mine. Mine would be like on top of it. But they're pecking around in the straw I put in there. You can chirp, chirp all day long, lady. We don't care. I have them out here by themselves. The hens are a little unhappy about that. But we're over on the other side of the yard where we usually go, the hens and I. And here's a Gizmo who's decided, hey, I'm going to do a dirt bath. And it looks like Sweet Pea's going to try and do one over there. Popcorn here has found a couple bugs and even a tiny worm. Angel seems a little cautious. Just gotta know. I don't know if I should be over here. Sweet Pea cannot decide where to do a dirt bath. Phoenix and Miss Cloud got a bath today. I hope that Miss Cloud doesn't have that, what is that called, water belly or whatever. She's had a round spot under her vent without feathers for a very long time. She still lays eggs. Hi. Hello. I'm letting you out. Isn't that nice? Yeah. There we go. Okay, I gotta get to watering. Yeah, before it gets hot. Yeah, you guys go look around. Quick. Quick, hurry.